How to add the music player widget on your home screen, in which you can access your controls for the song that you're currently listening to from songs on your phone. This is the Poco X7 Pro phone. Let's get started. The way to go about doing this, on your home screen, long press like this. Then you're going to see the widgets option to the bottom section. As you reach here, you'll be able to search for widgets. Now you can choose to add the one for Spotify if you're using that on your Poco phone, and you can also browse through the Android widgets if you have specific ones you're looking for. You can also use the search option here. It's gonna pull up every app on your phone. Now, if you wanna use that of the Xiaomi or Poco player, it would be this one here. You also have the other ones that you might have installed, like this one or that one, and each of them will give you different widget types. But I would recommend using the one from Xiaomi, as it has most of fancy types. All right, so you got this one here, you got this one, that one, and whichever one you decide to go with, just go ahead and press add to home screen. Once you have it like that, it'll appear here. These cannot be adjusted in terms of size, so whatever you select, that's the one it's going to have like this here, okay? Now there is, for some of you, maybe you might want to have your player on the lock screen. So if you want your widget to appear like this here on the lock screen, so you can actually control your songs, here's where you can go. So go into the quick access, go to the settings. From here, go all the way down until you see privacy, the one that says privacy only right there. And once in this section here, go down and you're gonna see show media on lock screen. Make sure this is turned on, and if you have a song playing already and you go onto your lock screen, you're gonna see the player there as well. Like and sub.